Good morning, ladies and gents. My name is Adnaan Khokhar. I'm the Operations Manager for the EMEA region for Scenario. And today's presentation is a case study of digital transformation for a master developer on a mega housing project. As part of this presentation, we'll explore the challenges faced and the innovative solutions implemented on the project. Just a bit of a short intro into our company. Scenario, we are a leading project information management solution for the AEC industry. And our focus in the region has been to assist our clients in their digital transformation journey. And this can start from basic concepts from improving digitizing their processes, all the way through to smart dashboards, information, to insights, data analytics. So moving on to the case study, challenges faced by the client. The project that we've chosen was a mega housing development in Riyadh for the Ministry of Housing. The challenges faced on any mega project is the volume of data being produced on a daily basis and how we can better utilize and manage that data for project insights. So again, this project had to ensure quality of end product to over 2,000 owners of the development, ensure that we have standard mechanism to conduct project processes. What we mean by that is that we have every contractor consultant working on the project works their standard method and methodology. So we have consistent, standardized data that we can then utilize for insights, information, to allow the owners, the project stakeholders, quicker and easier decision making. And again, one of the key things that we discussed is to reduce bottlenecks. So decisions are made quickly, on time, so to reduce delays on the overall for the project. So just some of the project statistics. This was a construction of over 2,000 villas, including related infrastructure utilities, over a period of 24 months. The project team consisted of over 150 plus project staff members with client, consultant, engineer, PMO, and over 20 contractors. So that's a large amount of contractors on a project and having to make it ensuring that they all manage the process the similar standard way. Overall, for the project, we digitized over 14 key construction processes. This ranged from simple correspondence all the way through to stage gate change management. Just some statistics to date, over 650,000 processes, documents have been managed digitally. Just some, in terms of environmental impact, over 8 million pieces of paper have been saved just purely by digitizing these processes. So that's just a ROI of 300% in just paper saving. We also had a reduction in 60 to 75% in turnaround time and decision making. So you can see the proof is in the pudding in terms of how digitizing these processes helped achieve quicker decision making, quicker response time. Just give you a Kimsky study a couple of years back. This actually shows the stats of where the market is. 96% of all data collected is not used. It's just kept on a shelf for statutory period, then lost, thrown away. And then 13% of a person's staff member's time is spent looking for this information, trying to find it. 30% of companies have systems on their own individual silos that don't talk to each other. And only 8% of the industry have what we call as real-time project information management systems that allow insight into information, dashboards to give you key aspects of where you're at with the project, decision making. So what we did in terms of big data in the construction, we focused on inspections. The reason we thought with inspections, we have a large volume of data. It's trackable and structured. It drives progress and quality. So just a simple thing, what we did is every project has an inspection test plan, and we can standardize it across all the contractors and the consultants. We were able to put a weightage against it and able to then track as inspections were occurring on a live basis, what progress was achieved, compare it against the baseline program, and even link it to the budget to allow for costing and even payment tracking. So just to give you benefits of the site inspection data set, moving on from what I was saying in the previous slide, we found that you have key data insights, right, from a cost perspective, from being able to visualize progress, performance on key indicators on contractors' performance. You can hone in on areas where there are hotspots of NCRs, defects, or delays, and again, where you're actually at versus schedule. So having all this data we were able to produce on a live basis a master plan linked to GIS locations of the project, whereas actually the individuals for the project team members were able to establish where the project's at by individual unit, by individual block, and overall for the project. Also, just to ensure for color coding, we had added a legend to show what milestone stage the project was at. This really helped the owners of the project to actually establish, okay, when can we actually foresee which blocks will be available for handing over to the owners. So it kind of leads on with all this data, helping insights into handover process, snagging, all of those aspects that help delivery of the project. One of the key other aspects were from inspection data, we were able to see delay analysis. This allowed on a visual perspective to see integrating with the P6 program to see what's ahead, what's on time, and what's behind. So again, allows management to make decisions, okay, what areas of the project are behind, then putting in mitigation plans to allow with the contractors to get back on track. Moving on, again, simple data for simple progress tracking. This again from the system, from all the inspections we were entering in, they're able to see where they're at by each individual villa, by each inspection test plan item, and what was overdue, on time, rejected. Overall, digitizing these processes, just taking simple inspection processes, allowed great insight into where we're at with the project, what's happening, what percentage is completed, what's to go. So overall, we found having just digitizing simple processes as a start allows great efficiency and transparency on the project.